Live.
All right,
baby. What is the back? What is the back? Wolf Trading Crew is live. We got KC. We got Jordan live from the airport.
I'm here.
He has a una cerveza in hand. Not actually a margarita, but
Margarita's ready.
FOMC. We got the airport vibes. Evan is not late. Evan is early. We got some comments in the chat. Shout out. We got the background noise. This is going to be copyrighted. I'm going to take actually the copyright off. But yeah, what is up, guys? How we doing? FOMC coming out in 15 minutes. We got the release at 2 p.m. Eastern. It's pretty certain they're going to cut rates by 25 basis points. But then we also have a SEP, which will show what they expect rates to be at the end of next year. Summary of economic projections that can move stuff. What up? I don't want to say that name. What's up, Johnny? Everyone joining in and hanging out with us. But yeah, happy, merry FOMC day to everyone. Say hello in the chat. What is up? What is up? I thought this was a free country. I agree, Colin. Don't hinder me by this copyright. Jordan, Ewing, Hard, Charlotte.
Dude, I am just trying to mog everybody in the Charlotte airport.
Guys, we don't give away locations like that.
No, it's okay. Come find me. It's all right.
Come get
I'll
these
buy you a
hands.
drink.
Yeah, how are we doing, everyone? We appreciate you. We even someone got coming in from the KC chat too. KC, Jordy, we got some resident traders.
Shout out. It looks like I didn't miss anything today.
Nah.
I would have been bullish, I can tell you that, because we swept London session lows, Asia session lows, but with it being FOMC day, just no distribution to those levels. So, again, I've mentioned it, but this is one of those days where it's just lower probability. So I'm happy I didn't trade. Just traded London session. We hit a short there. Where's my... Oh, I'm not signed into my account right now. Oops.
Oh, look at that handsome fella.
Hey, look at this guy.
Look at that guy.
Damn right. What's good, player? What are we looking at? Well, we're looking at Mr. NQ.
Nas, what'd you do today? Anything?
I am 3 for 3 today. Very small sizing, but
Nice.
yeah.
3 for 3 though. That's good.
What'd you trade?
No spreads. I traded. 1 second. I will give you the rundown right now. I know I traded Amazon. I know I traded a QQQ put, and then I had one more. Hold on.
CoreWeave.
Yes, you were right. CoreWeave puts. Those were also very small, but again, it was just like literally 5 to 10% hitters. Nothing crazy at all.
Boris said, I thought submarine was your preferred method of transportation since you're always underwater. Damn, that was a good one. That was a really good one. I'm not going to lie. That was Boris, I got to hand it to you. Just for that, I'm throwing in an upper decky.
Whoa. Throwing in the upper decky.
Upper decky's in.
All right, so Jordan, you weren't here, but earlier on live stream, I went and bought a Tradeify account.
Okay.
And
I bought it in one day.
I bought the new Select account, and I use code Wolf.
It's cool. It's cool.
So now I'm going to full port short or full port long into FOMC. And
I love it.
And make the bills.
We'll see if it gets funded. And you know what? If I'm wrong, then I'll just buy another and use code Wolf again.
Exactly. Use code Wolf. You'll save some money. And the money just kind of gets turned back to the whole crew. You know what I mean?
Or shit, I'll just go buy a second account and just do long, short, and just...
Honestly, I mean, you want to know the method to CPI trading? That's the method right there.
Yeah, right. What do we think?
Got to be careful.
What do we think if they cut by 25 basis point initial reaction on the market? What do you think?
Given the lows that we swept, I had bullish reaction. That's bullish for the market, I think.
Listen, they've been holding this market up. I think they're waiting for a catalyst like this to possibly push it. Obviously, they could push it straight down too, but you know, we've kind of stalled out the past couple of days, so we got to see.
Emp's on the plane still.
Live from the airplane.
Well, guys, I won't be taking any position. Here, let me zoom in my chart since I'm not even trading. Make it a little better to see. Can I do that? How do I
We
do
got
that
10
again?
minutes.
Evan, I'm on MacBook. Do you know how I make my screen bigger so you can see it better, like you always ask me to do?
Command and then plus, or Control plus, one of those.
You're correct, sir. There we go. Oh, that's a little too much. I can't do that. That's better. That'll work. So yeah, again, I mean, when going into the morning, I shorted London after we swept Asia high and previous New York session high. We distributed all the way to Asia lows. I just took it to midnight open. Now we open up New York session. We're sweeping London session lows, Asia session lows. The only untapped liquidity is London highs. And this internal high here, the high a day. So I have to be bullish into those highs, but of course with FOMC, anything can change. So I mean that's my thesis, but we could get a drizzy candle all the way down here. Who knows? You know what I mean? So got to be careful.
Watch IWM too. Obviously, if rate cuts, could get a nice little spike there.
Of course.
I mean, shit, we might do both and then just end up back here.
You know what I'm doing? I'm waiting for 230.
Yep. That's what you normally do, right, Knots?
Yeah, waiting for the 230. And obviously, Jordan, no spreads today. So
yeah, no spreads. I didn't try.
That
don't worry.
Sexy guy on the plane right there.
I know that guy in the wolf hoodie looking real good on that plane right now.
Look at that guy.
He's just waiting for everybody to get out of his way so he can get off.
Wow. On a plane with no TVs. Brokey.
Bro, mine didn't have any TVs either. I felt broke. Sucked.
He's got a window, though. That's all that matters.
Oh, I can't do it. I got to have the aisle seat so I can get up.
I like aisle or window. Don't matter to me.
What is our lag time looking like today? Well, on X, it's going to be about 15 seconds probably. But if you go over to YouTube, there's almost no delay. It's like 2 seconds. So hop over on the YouTube. You guys will get a little bit more real-time live stream. So, yeah, IWM, right at those all-time highs again. We made all-time highs yesterday. Pass those equal highs. See if we can get some momentum over that.
We have 7 minutes here.
Oh, 7 minutes.
Yeah, I'm going to get RTY pulled up.
All right, so we have low a day, high a day. We already swept all the overnight lows. Are we respecting any order flow? Not really. There's not really any order flow to go off of here. I see not one fair value gap on this bigger time frame. So that means when, well, see what happens. I'm not trading, so we'll keep an eye out. If anybody wants to share their screen and share something, feel free. Otherwise, I'll just keep mine up. I'll delete this to make it a little better to see.
Oh, what the shit?
By the way, is there a lot of background noise from me?
Yeah, we just hear like the music.
Let me try and change that for you.
Just
so
the
it's not
music
bad.
and all the people's
and the
conversations. Dang it, I just tried to set a limit order up there and it just executed an order right here. I didn't want that.
Hey.
It looks like it's already on like the setting to where it kind of does that, so I'm just going to mute myself whenever I'm talking.
Hey,
Frankie's
boys.
here. What's up, Frank?
What's up, Frank?
It's illegal to stream on a plane. Will arrest me. Arrest them at the gate.
I don't even know.
It can't be. No chance. If it is, you're gonna have to lock me up. I've done it before.
All right, I got the orders in. We'll see what happens.
On the Tradify account?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Run it.
So if any craziness comes in, if it breaks these two spots and then keeps accelerating, we'll see if it closes it out for a winning trade. We'll see.
We have 5 stops, sell stops.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you put some limit sells at the bottom of the range in case we break through the range and just rug, and then some limit buys at the top of the range for the vice versa. It's just,
Yeah.
I've seen so many people doing that on like CPI. All those big data points in the morning.
All right, here we go.
Let's go. What do we got? See if the initial reaction is anything crazy. I know it's kind of been muted the past few times, and then we get into actual questions and all that.
Right now, Vol DQ is selling. Vol D's coming down. Tick just rejected the 0 line. Should be seeing a little bit of pullback overall. Closing all positions before FOMC. Yeah.
We're dipping down a little bit here. Before it, let's see.
Oopsies. There we go.
Hey, let's go, Brent. He's in a car to Las Vegas listening right now. Took a short in pre-market for lots of points and left. Same, brother. Same.
One more.
I shorted that
Indeed.
London session from the Asia highs and cooking.
We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Well, load me up, boys. It's only first margarita, and it's the start of FOMC. Let's have a time.
Let's have
fun.
a time.
It's fun time for Jordy here. We're having a good time.
Down to 3 minutes here.
Bring it down. Look at IWM.
Yeah.
Jordan, you still on the boat? I don't. But we know the people that bought it, which is cool. Jordan gonna get smashed before I even make it to Pizza City? Yeah. Sent you a DM on X? Let me know if that was on X, David. I'll try and get back to you right now. Dude, everybody's clowning me for my dirty ass computer right now, and it's not making me very happy. God damn it.
All right.
It is dirty. All right. I have no concern with cleaning my MacBook ever.
Hey, boys and girls, minute 30.
Let's go. I'll probably, if I do, I won't be trading any futures whatsoever. If I decide to do anything, it'll be with my Vanquish options account that I don't care about. Not the spread one, the other one. So, and I don't even imagine I'd try anything on that, but maybe we have some fun. We'll see.
Okay, minute.
We cutting? They going to cut it?
He needs to cut it.
Time to cut rates again? Come on. Let's see.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Cut them and rip this market.
Them rates is way too high. He needs to cut it. Them rates is way too high. He needs to cut it.
On X. Sounds good, David. I'll get back to you. Who's here?
All right, here we go.
Will's
We
here.
got 25 seconds.
What's up, Will? It's
What's
time.
up, guys? What's up? It's
Buckle
time.
up, boys and girls. 20 seconds.
Damn.
Do I blow the new Tradeify selected count or do I get funded? Let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move.
What do we got? Initial action down.
What we
Yeah,
got?
right there, a little bit down.
Pending.
Nothing yet. Still pending.
We had
Oh.
a 40-point down move there. Now we
Oh.
have a
Yep.
pop.
They did cut. Forecast
25.
3.75. Yep.
They did cut by 25 basis points.
In line with forecast.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, that's bullish, especially when technically you've had all the overnight levels getting taken
Yup.
out. And you look at that, you see a nice bullish reaction so far in the midnight open.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, baby.
New high
Take
today.
out, take out the highs.
Ah!
What did I
It triggered
say,
It triggered me
man?
long and it sold. We're out.
Yeah, Russell, nice bid too.
Yeah, I was long RTY. It triggered it
Hi.
at 36 and it sold it at 44.
Take it to London session high. God, are they
That
going to
was
play
fun.
out my thesis perfectly even on FOMC day?
So,
If we tap London
Fed
session, we're on.
Fed
What's up?
median projection for 26 is 25 basis points, is what they're saying as part of that statement. They will consider the extent of timing and additional adjustments going forward. Just pulling up the statement here. Hold on one second.
Damn price way too high. He needs some hoodie.
Obviously, balance of risk due to the labor market. The committee judges that the reserve balances have declined to ample levels and will initiate purchases of short-term treasury securities as needed to maintain ample supply of reserves on an ongoing basis. So it looks like they will initiate purchases of short-term treasuries, probably to stabilize some of the repo market issues we've seen.
IWM, nice dollar plus spike there.
I didn't even notice this all morning. You never rebalanced to midnight open, which has a 70% chance of hitting in New York session every day. What do we do at FOMC? Rip right into there. Beautiful.
So initial reaction so far is green. Want to see at 2:30 if we get that opposite reaction as usually what happens.
Schmidt and Goolsby dissented in favor of no rate change. The Fed did say they will buy $40 billion of Treasury bills over the next 30 days. So they will be buying in the short end to provide liquidity to the market. Their unemployment projections for 25 is 4.5, and in 26 they tick down to 4.4. And the median projection for rates is 3.1% by 2028.
Yeah, they will buy $40 billion of treasury bills over the next 30 days.
Dude, SPY, Qs, IWM all just hit previous day high and back to the midpoint.
Where's ES on this? Because if ES is taking out the highs, NQ doesn't have to trade higher.
ES did already take out highs too. Yeah. Of the day.
But did it? Okay, so ES took out London session, Asia session highs. Of course, NQ still can trade there, but it's not needed when ES has already done it, the correlated asset.
Here's the other thing that's noteworthy is that 7 officials penciled in no rate cuts for 2026.
Wow.
So I would say that's a little bit more of a hawkish tone into 2026 on maybe a longer-term forecast. The Fed Fund futures prior to the announcement was pricing in 2 cuts after the JOLTS data, one in June and looks like possibly one in either September or December of next year. So now you're getting more Fed officials that are penciling in no rate cuts. 7, it says.
Wait, Will, where are you seeing that? I see everything that I'm seeing says they expect 1 cut.
Well, they do. The dot plot shows that there'll be 1 cut, but it says there was 7 officials. I'm reading this from on Financial Juice.
Okay.
As opposed to this data. 4 officials see at least 3 quarter-point rate cuts for 2026. So you got some dissension there. You got some doves, obviously, probably Myron and some others. But it looks
Maple
like
Stacks. What's up?
a handful of them are penciling.
Yo, good afternoon, guys.
Yeah,
What's up, Maple?
very interesting.
Little bit of a sweep back into the orb. Initial reaction pretty good here off of the release. Feel like maybe we sell off just a little to build a bid if they do want to continue this a little higher into Powell's speech at 2:30. So I'm just being patient here. Hopefully the listeners are as well. You can easily get chopped up in some excitement and euphoria off of the 2 p.m. announcement.
So the
Yeah,
opening price, by the
Go
way,
ahead.
was 617 on NQ. So if we're above that by 2:30, it's a green initial reaction. So far-
bonds across the curve, mostly bullish. Rates fell in the front end on the 2-year quite a bit, almost 5-6 basis points, and then the 30 and the 10s as well. The 10-year now trading down to 4.15. Yesterday's highs was 4.21 was the high yield on the 10-year, so down about 5 basis points. I think the most important part is what does Powell say in the speech? You know, how hawkish is his rhetoric, and do they ask him any questions about the 7 dissenters for any rate cuts for next year? Would be interesting. So it was 9-3. So you had 9 voted in favor for 25 cut. Myron was voted for a 0.5% cut, and Goolsby and Schmidt voted to not cut.
I say continue ripping it as of now. No change in structure on this dip, just a normal dip.
IWM back up to that same high. Nope, new highs.
Yep. New highs. NQ's pushing now. Just went green on the day again. We have individuals pulling up. Amazon, Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft. I probably could just go through the whole entire list and say they're going up, but yes. Tesla new high a day. No, I'm wrong. Tesla's not.
Holy spy.
Oh, do it.
Oh,
Do it.
Oh,
Take out London session high there. Do it.
chill.
Somebody needs to nerf the overnight levels, bro. They're too good. They're too fucking good.
Yeah, Russell catching probably the biggest bid out of all of them right now.
Yo.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Obviously, lower rates.
Oh my
are
God!
helping
I
the
just
small
covered
caps.
another. Your boy's got to be funded.
Yeah.
Let me go check this one out. I caught up this ticker earlier. This afternoon, there was some heavy call flow on it for the February calls. It was ticker ESTC, and I took those February calls for a swing. They are printing here. That stock is flying all day long.
Yeah. So again,
Yeah, regional banks, new monthly highs here. Regionals breaking, which is helping. Yet a resistance level just above you at like 66.18, but that's obviously helping the small caps.
And
So-
KO is falling, making new lows, which is good because that's one of my put positions.
3 days to pass select, right? I believe it's 3 days to pass that account, right, Casey? You have to trade 3 days.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because that one has the consistency. It's not a 1 day pass on those.
And then once you get the select account, there is no consistency.
Yeah, that's what's beautiful.
Look at IWM just ripping.
Dude, I know.
I bought IWM calls before FOMC the last
Nuts,
few times. I did
really?
not do it this time. I should have.
No, do you want to see something?
Yeah.
Look at this. Okay. I'm all out of the position. I'll send it in the group chat. Ready? Look at this shit.
By the way, again, yeah, just to reiterate though, it seems like they're basically moving into that quantitative easing phase. I know EMP also said that. So I wanted to state that. Well,
NQ short bill breaker.
The issue I have with if we make a new high a day is there's no other liquidity left to trade anywhere. It's like higher, I don't have really anything with conviction, and lower, all the levels to be traded to lower have been taken out already. All those targets are gone. So once we take out this London high, I see no other opportunity for the market. At least for my style, of course. I know everybody can be scalpy a little bit more and do their own thing. But for me personally, I will have no opportunity after this London high gets taken.
Nah, do you see the text?
Let me see.
That was
Right.
the move. And you gonna do it? Do it.
Fucking stupid.
Casey was talking about Tradeify, the select accounts. Use code WOLF.
Use code Wolf. That's what I did when I bought it.
If all levels get taken, do you still look for fair value gaps? Yes, I do. But the problem is if you have no clear conviction for liquidity, those fair value gaps are not going to act like you want them to. And your price is not going to respect them the way you want them to. So if there's no clear draw on liquidity for the market, there's no reason for me to trade. Which I wasn't going to trade FOMC anyway. But after these London session levels get taken, there's just no other untapped liquidity to go trade to. It's all gone. Doesn't mean you can't make money. It just means whatever you're doing, it's going to be lower probable than an environment where we didn't already take those levels, and you can't really argue that. That's just a fact. So you decide whether you want to take that risk or not. I don't. Not worth it. I'll show up next week and get what I want and not worry about FOMC at all. Powell is the literal Grinch.
Yeah, this press conference is
Bill
going to
breaker
be
here.
much more important.
20-point gain, covered half, MNQ.
Let's go.
I would say some of this would be a little bit more of, even though rates are lower, is a little bit more hawkish tilt, only due to maybe less cutting into next year. When you look at the dot plots, I mean, there is a pretty wide divergence among, we have as high as, out in the 27, some people in the high threes, some people in the low threes, some people in the twos. Like there's some dispersion over the next year for sure on what the neutral rate looks like.
It's still early here for NQ, but I wonder if we can get a push back into the orb. Red candle pullback over a pivot looks decent, but I feel like the real move still comes after 2:30 once Powell starts talking. So I'm going to look at 672 orb high for today on NQ for another
6-7.
target to scale.
Slap myself in the face for saying that. SPY and Q still rejecting previous day high. IWM well over it. KO 70 puts back in the money, coming down to previous day low.
Qualcomm still looking good over 181 now. That thing's been looking good the last couple days here.
We should be having Jerome Powell speaking. Well, he will be speaking in 16 minutes. When have you guys?
CCL new high a day.
I started a small short on IWM. A little risky, but we're getting some upper wicks here on multiple time frames. And we're a little away from the EMAs. I want to see a move back into 253. Come on, baby.
Here we go. I need to see that orb. I got to order right above it. Cover a little bit more out.
Are we short? We fucking short?
I'm short IDBM
sir.
a little bit.
Oh, hold
Small
on, hold on.
size.
Let me go NQ and 5 contracts short right here.
Actually, do 10. Be a man.
All right.
Be a man.
Your price is way too high. You need to cut it. Oh, now those premiums adjusted on that one. Why? Stock's barely moving. Why are the premiums going all wonky?
Wonky.
Wonky like a donkey.
Where you going, donkey?
Donkey.
15 minutes until Pow Dog comes on. Pow Daddy.
Oh, daddy.
Casey, what platform were you talking about? Tradify?
Tradify.
Okay. Someone asked.
All
that.
right.
It was Tradify.
All right, coming up to 26.2 again on CCL after adding these contracts yesterday at 60 on the low. They are now sitting at 80. So it might take a little safety trim here in a second on these now that I got the add in just to manage a little bit of risk, but I'm just going to alert that RKLB is still ripping face. EOS with the fat stick. I do have calls on that name as well. Along with JOBY. Oh, CCL with the sticky with the blicky. All right. All right. Let's see.
They're gonna do it. They're gonna take out London High.
All right.
London High.
Those fuckers.
All right. If they can fill me at 82, I'll be happy. And they filled me at 82.
Let's go.
Okay. Little safety trim there after the ad. Here's that top of the range. Now, if this range breaks, maybe we can start this daily squeeze it's been in for day number 7.
Give us new highs. Give us new
God.
highs.
Freaking insane. All right. Trim. Thank you.
Still no breakout.
You shorted green, cover red a little here.
Mm-hmm. Come on. Drop it down. Drop it down. Mama.
Oh my god, dude. NQ is on crack.
Initial reaction is green. How Daddy may come on and we may break
Dude.
600.
That's what I said. Usually the first move is wrong. The wrong one.
Yes.
Oh, you gonna make me trim?
First 30
Let's
minutes.
go. Bill breaker again.
Oh my
Give
god.
me that orb high.
Come
no
on.
way. No way. No way.
I think we're going to break under
I
600.
sniped this
When
shit?
Powell
Oh
comes
my
on.
god.
Did you hit
I
those
should-
10
Casey sniped this
Did you
short.
hit those 10
I
minutes?
did. I did.
Oh,
Yeah, did you do 10?
No.
I
No, I just did
See?
one on
I was
NQ.
did you do 10? Fuck.
was trying to help you.
10 bigs?
No, minis.
And
It might.
fat ones. No. Come on.
Dude, why am I not banging music right now?
What I want to
I'm just
add
a walking
into I
L,
want to
bro.
add into this short.
There we go.
Bad. Go CCL, bust it,
Come on,
bust
iHeads.
it, down, bust it, down, bust it, down, yeah.
We're one good afternoon from a big drop.
Yeah.
Come
Or
on.
nothing. Could be a big nothing burger.
That's true. That's true.
That is true.
Obviously, most of this is probably expected. I don't think there's anything that's shocking.
Yeah, chop it. Punish mass retail that's trying to trade all this.
Oh, CCL. Oh, Carnival Cruise Line. That boat is on a rocket.
What you want to drink?
I don't know. I'm not some kind of delicious.
He wants something
Yeah,
delicious.
you want something delicious, Jordan.
Give that man something delicious.
Something delicious. Nine minutes until good afternoon.
That's what they've been doing all year, Jordy, and we still don't learn, do we? We still show up and try and put on 100 contracts during FOMC, right? Like, it's ridiculous.
100. I'm doing 250.
Big size now, big size.
That's rock.
What's these Mag 7s doing? Apple faded a little bit off the highs. Google kind of right at the top of the range.
Yeah, look at this. A lot of them are starting to turn. I mean, just look
Microsoft,
at Netflix being just so shit.
again,
I think you're 100% right, Real. I think like 82, 85 is coming.
Yeah. I think Netflix has got to. I'm not even looking at this thing. I have an alert on my chart at 86.
Oh no. Oh no.
Comment from Colin. Guy behind Jordy won't see in the stream. Good thing you got headphones on.
Casey under 686, it dies.
Dude, I know. I'm watching.
Yo, honestly, yeah. No, Jordan.
Let's go.
Take your headphones
Come on,
off,
guys.
Put them
I'm
on that
out.
Previous day high.
Yeah,
FOMC
I'm out.
candle high. Bring it down back to the orb. Let's sweep it.
Dude, I just closed. I'm out.
Go IWM, drop it.
There you go.
Question: could one of you guys put the press conference on in the background with something with this? Pull it up just so people can listen. I don't know if that's what you want to do. Be a little difficult for me, honestly.
I got one more left in me. Can I go 3 for 3? Got one more left in me. What can I hit?
I wonder if I can. I'm gonna.
Yep,
I
it's
gotta,
300 live concurrent though here. Shout out. Give the stream a like wherever you guys are watching on. Yes, that is Jordan's dad behind him. Give the stream a like for Jordan's dad.
That's
channel.
Yes.
That is Jordan's dad. Man.
40-point gain MNQ. Covered a quarter. GG.
Oh man.
Well, it could
I trimmed
be.
a quarter of my IWM puts.
Dead. I don't know how y'all hold NQ for that long. Maybe if I did MNQ.
Q's, watch and see if it holds 673 here. If we get under that, yikes. You're instantly going to that open of 2 p.m., which is 617. If we
Dude,
top the
this
670 here.
is
boy.
literally. I wish I could share it. Oh, here, I'm gonna post this on X. Like this is insane.
That boy
I've been-
crazy.
I've posted the same SPY chart 12 times.
NQ back into the orb. Nice sweep here. Good area to cover. Not a long spot quite yet. I feel like maybe VWAP target 641 is in play here.
If you've been following the SPY chart, you'll understand why I shorted there.
Yeah, I think it's time to take it to these lows. We inverse order flow,
So it's
changing the
under
state.
perpetual motion. Whatever happened to
Low sitting right there.
the mobile?
Oh no, actually, I dead ass want that guy on here.
That dude's doing double leverage tornadoes.
I trimmed IWF again.
If you go to my X profile, you're going to see the same SPY chart that I have now posted for the 5th time today. And you will be able to go back and see the top red zone ever since this morning, since market open. We hit that same spot, not once, not twice, but 3 times. And that is why I took a short.
Wow, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Meta don't look very good either, dropping below 647 now. That is I don't like seeing that one. Really on the daily candle below the I'm sorry. It's not on the daily. We're sitting right at the 21 though, which is right here. I said that this morning around 645.
Oh my God, don't tell me I should have held that short longer.
There goes iDubbbz.
GG, guys. Here we go. 80s fail. You see 20s, 30s.
Come on, drop it.
Pre-market low.
Go, baby girl.
Maple, I was short from 720.
Yes, sir. Me too. Nailed it, bro. Nailed it.
I closed at 680.
And for the listeners, guys, 40 points, 60 points, don't sit there and try to hold every single trade to get the most out of it. It's better for you, especially if you're struggling with payouts, funded accounts, passing evals, to just take the money. Stop trading that account, maybe work on another one, or focus on, building your strategy. Here we go. Coming to VWAP here.
IWM back to 250, 250. NQ again, 617 was that opening candle. That opening of the 2 p.m. candle, I should say. Sorry.
Dang, dude.
Trimmed IWM again. 252 puts her in the money.
When do I try for a bounce? Like 30s on NQ?
Yeah, I mean, looking at the 10-minute chart, there's a lot of buyers there. Just those 10-minute lower wicks, 95 to 607. So I wonder if they test those buyers. That's the most recent higher low. So if these buyers fail, though, we see new lows.
Your 30-minute 921 and VWAP are all sitting at 640. If we break that, I think it gets even uglier. Oh my God, look at this short.
Damn, he's dead. He's dead. Nailed that short.
He's dead.
Cooked them.
D-fibs. We need the D-fibs.
Okay. IWM up 30% for tomorrow's contracts.
Yeah, you're getting a little bit of bid back into the rates, and bonds are going back towards the lows. So these yields are ticking back up across the curve, mainly on the long end, though. A little bit more pressure on the long end on the 10 and the 30s.
Come on. There it is. Boom. Nice. There it is. Let's fucking go.
You longed?
Yeah, I had an order at 9:30. I just exited at 6:30. I just exited at 6:50.
I just closed all my IWMs and I am out.
Let's go. Good shit, knots.
Okay. I got a dollar move there in under 15 minutes. That's nice.
That was the 1 minute volume point of control on NQ. Again, if you go to that, let me pull up the chart. I'm sorry, it was the your 15-minute VWAP 921 EMA. It was also VWAP on SPY. It was your 21 EMA on IWM. A lot of reasons for a little scalpy bounce there. Watch it rip back to 80, and I paper handed that one.
We
too.
could, I guess you could say, bounce here. Let's
Dude,
see.
here, look. Let me show you this.
Powell should be coming any minute.
Yep. Pow Daddy should be out any second. See what the man has for us.
Ooh, it's delayed entry.
Paper fucking hands McGee over here.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
All right, trailing stop, hit remainder in profit. GG, guys. Up and down. We're all making money. I love it.
Dude, this is like, I'm gonna send, look, let me send this to Nat.
I can share this.
Oh my God.
I got a jam in 15 minutes to the dentist.
I got that Monday.
Not to see the text.
Whose chart is up there? That is my chart.
No, 1 second. Let me see. Look at the 5 minute 21 on IWM. Grabbed it. Beautiful. Did Powell just come out?
Powell's on.
Okay.
He's on, baby.
Gee, what the fuck?
Dude. Look at that entry, though.
You're not wrong.
That instant candle back up. Also, if you look at the chart that I said I just posted on SPY, we went from the red zone. That was the bottom of the gray zone back there in the middle at the yellow level. Again, a lot of reasons to bounce right there.
In light of the balance of risks to employment and inflation, today the Federal Open Market
All right,
Committee
here's
decided
Powell
to
Daddy.
raise our policy interest rate by 1/4 percentage point. As a separate matter, we also decided to initiate purchases of shorter-term Treasury securities solely for the purpose of maintaining an ample supply of reserves over time, thus control of our policy rate. I will have more to say about monetary policy and its implementation after briefly reviewing economic developments. Although some key government data have yet to be released, available indicators suggest that economic activity has been expanding at a moderate pace. Consumer spending appears to have remained solid, and business fixed investment has continued to expand. In contrast, activity in the housing sector remains weak. The temporary shutdown
MNQ long bill breaker.
likely weighed on economic activity in the current quarter, but these effects should be mostly
Okay,
offset
let's
by
do it,
higher growth
Maple.
next quarter, reflecting the reopening.
Powell looks
In our
defeated.
summary economic
Bro, he
projections,
is. He's at the
immediately
end of his
participant
stretch.
project that GDP will rise 1.7% this year and 2.3% next year, somewhat stronger than projected in September. In the labor market, although official employment data for October and November are delayed, available evidence suggests that both layoffs and hiring remain low, and that both households'
IWM,
perceptions of
right
job
back to
availability
house.
and firms' perceptions of hiring difficulty. continue
Maple,
to
I
decline.
fucking love you.
Let's
Just made
go,
me
baby.
$600.
Let's go, baby.
On a
You
labor
just made me
market,
$600,
Boom.
dude.
30-point gain. Let's go. 30-point gain sold half. GG.
reaching 4.4%. And the job gains have slowed significantly since earlier in the year.
I still have one left,
The
though.
good part of the slowing likely
Oh,
reflects
shit.
the decline in the growth of the labor force due to
Fuck,
lower
yeah.
immigration and labor force participation, though labor demand has clearly softened as well. In this less dynamic and somewhat softer labor
Oh
market,
my God.
the downside risks to employment appear to have risen in recent months. In our SEP, the median projection of the unemployment rate is 4.5% at the end of this
First
year.
move up,
And
sell
it is
off into the
thereafter.
bid to get built, and then Powell comes on, and then
Inflation
copy and
continues
paste at the 2
significantly
p.m.
from
move.
its
GG.
highs
Shout out
in
to Knox.
mid-2022, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer run goal. Very
Oh,
New high day,
my
new high day, new high
God.
day.
meeting in October.
Fucking.
Total CPI
Wagwan.
prices
Let's
rose
go.
2.8% over the 12 months ending in September, and excluding the volatile
Jesus.
food and energy categories,
Jesus.
PCE prices also rose
Fucking
2.8%.
insane.
These readings are higher than earlier in the
All right,
year. as
55-point
inflation
gain.
lingered
I'm going to
since
sell a quarter
April,
here. GG.
reflecting the effects of tariffs.
JOBY ripping CCL new
In
highs,
contrast,
ESTC new
disinflation appears to
highs.
be
I have
continuing
no
for
NQ.
services.
Shout out to fucking Maple.
Near-term measures of inflation expectations have declined from their peaks earlier
Sniper.
in the year,
Dude,
as
this
reflected
is
in both market
absolutely
and
insane.
survey-based measures.
There you go, taking out London
Most
session
measures of
highs. There's
long-term
no liquidity left now.
Consistent with our
70s,
2%
All
80s
gone.
is what I'm looking at. If we clear out these 20s, which it looks like we did,
total PCE
and then maybe extension bill breaker 800.
2.4% next year, a bit lower than the median projection in September. Thereafter, the median falls to 2%. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to
Previous day highs on the next spot where I could expect the market to draw to, but I just don't have conviction
At
for
today's
it.
meeting, the committee decided to lower
London
the
highs.
target
So
range for the federal funds rate by a quarter
again, if
percent.
you want to keep chugging up here, that's fine with me.
0.75%. In the near term, risks to inflation are tilted to the upside, and risks to employment to the downside. A challenging
Don't
situation.
have much reason to
There is no
be
risk-free
long anymore unless it's
as we
these
navigate
highs.
this tension between our
Holy shit, I should have held that a little bit longer.
reasonable
Pumpy, there's a 70s, 80s. Like I said, 800 next. Bill breaker.
Nah.
Dude,
Let's
that's
bring it bill to bill.
140 point
Get
long
it,
from my
Maple.
original entry.
our obligation.
Yo, shout out to you, Sweet Coon.
Increasing the price level.
Holy
Guys, have a
shit.
trailing stop, set and profit, please.
Disgusting, Maple.
The balance of risks.
All right, I'm about to get out of here and go and chill in my van, bro.
For us
This
to
is
take
it.
a balanced approach.
All right,
Maple.
trailing stop, hit remainder, GG.
Mandate.
Maple,
We judged it appropriate at this meeting.
Yes,
to lower
sir.
the policy rate.
go
by
check the tweet I just tagged you in.
Time to go
All
live
right,
the
let
van
me see, let me
life.
see.
We have lowered our policy.
Look at
rate
that first entry at the bottom.
point over our last 3 meetings.
Hold on, let me see.
This further normalization of our
Let me see this
policy
insanity.
should help stabilize.
Oh my God, bro.
And then I sold it for the scalp, and then look where I longed 2 more NQ, and you said
Yeah,
bill
playing with
breaker.
profits right there. And then boom, right there into
The
resistance.
adjustments
Perfect.
to our policy
Holy
stance in
shit.
September
Nice trade,
Both
man.
ways.
bring it within a range of
Love
plus
making money on
plausible
FOMC.
estimates of neutral and
Let's
leave
go.
us well positioned to determine the extent and timing of additional adjustments to our policy rate based on the incoming data, the
Insane.
evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. In our summary of economic projections, FOMC participants wrote down their individual assessments of an appropriate path of the federal funds rate under what each participant judges to be the most likely scenario for the economy. The median participant projects that the appropriate level of the federal funds rate will be 3.4% at the end of 2026 and 3.1% at the end of 2027, unchanged from September. As is always the case, these individual forecasts are subject to uncertainty and they're not a committee plan or decision. Monetary policy is not on a preset course, and we will make our decisions on a meeting.
That green line I have in my chart, that 15-minute bullish order block after this 15-minute candle closes, as long as it closes above that, I expect that to hold.
With the reminder that these issues are separate
I'm showing
from
different.
and have no implications for the stance of monetary policy. In light of the continued tightening in money market interest rates relative to our administered rates and other indicators of reserve market conditions, the committee judged that reserve balances have declined to ample levels. Accordingly, at today's meeting, the committee decided to initiate purchases of shorter-term Treasury securities, mainly Treasury bills, for the sole purpose of maintaining an ample supply of reserves over time.
We're above the zone
Such
now,
increases
so it
in
makes me think
securities
we're going to
holdings
see
ensure
continuation
that the
higher.
federal funds rate remains within its target range and are necessary because the growth of the economy leads to rising demand over time for our liabilities, including currency and reserves. As detailed in a statement released today by the Federal Reserve, management purchases will amount to $40 million in the first month and may remain elevated for a few months to alleviate expected near-term pressures in money markets. Thereafter, we expect the size of reserve management purchases to decline, though the actual pace will depend on market conditions. In our implementation framework, an ample supply
That should
of
continue to
reserves
be
means
bullish
that
for the
federal
small
funds rate and
caps.
other short-term interest rates are
What he's talking
primarily
about is
controlled
providing
by
liquidity
the
to the money
setting of
markets.
administered rates,
It
rather
should
than
take some
day-to-day
credit
discretionary
stress away
intervention.
from the overnight funding
In this regime,
issues we've seen in the last couple
purchase
weeks.
agreement or repo operations are a critical tool to ensure that the federal funds rate remains within its target range, even on days of elevated pressures in money markets. Consistent with this view, the committee eliminated the aggregate limit on standing repo operations. These operations are intended to support monetary policy implementation and smooth market functioning and should be used when economically sensible. To conclude, the Fed has been assigned 2 goals for monetary policy: maximum employment and stable prices. We remain committed to supporting maximum employment, bringing our inflation sustainably down to our 2% goal, and keeping longer-term inflation expectations well anchored. Our success in delivering on these goals matters to all Americans. We understand that our actions affect communities, families, and businesses across the country. Everything we do is in service to our public mission. At the Fed, we will do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.
Thank you, Howard Schneider with Reuters. Just first turning to the statement.
Long MNQ.
Just to be clear.
10-minute red.
The insertion of the phrase, considering the extended timing of additional adjustments, does that indicate that the Fed is now on hold until there's some clearer signal from inflation or jobs or the evolution of the economy along the baseline outlook?
So, yes, the adjustments since September bring our policy within a broad range of estimates of neutral. And as we noted in our statement today, we are well positioned to determine the extent and timing of additional adjustments based on the incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. The new language points out that we'll carefully evaluate that incoming data. And also, I would note that having reduced our policy rate by 75 basis points since September and 175 basis points since last September, Fed funds rate is now within a broad range of estimates of its neutral value, and we are well positioned to wait to see how the economy evolves.
And if I could follow up on the outlook there, it seems like with the additional GDP growth coupled with easing inflation and a fairly steady unemployment rate, this seems like a pretty optimistic outlook for next year. What's given rise to that? Is this an early bet on AI? Is there some sense of improving productivity out there? What's driving that?
So a number of things are driving what's happening in the forecast. And I would say if you look broadly at outside forecasts, you do see a pickup in growth in many of those now too. So it is it's partly that consumer spending is held up.
I think what's going to be most crucial is going to be
to another degree. It is,
next week. This jobs data we're going to get next week is really, really going to be important. I think that's going to be your big market mover more than anything.
Watch this spot right here again. If they bounce or if they rub straight through it, here's the same spot from earlier.
Damn.
I unfortunately got to run to the dentist, guys, so
No,
I'll be back
stop.
a bit later.
Short here, 2-minute risk.
Later, Will.
See you guys.
We are, what SPY hit? 687.60 is the high from what? Why do I have that level there? That was Thursday, October 30th high.
By the way, we bounced right at the opening of that 2 p.m. candle. 6:15, 6:17. Already at 50, 60 points here.
Oh, stop was too tight. Nice bounce though, same spot. Just crazy freaking candles. Back in the gray zone for SPY. Right at VWAP on 5-minute.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Ooh, nice shot on Tesla. Yeah. Dude, if we close in the middle of this chart again, I swear to God. I mean, futures accounts will get paid for the scalp of the range, but ooh, Pepsi with a fat red candle. Yay. Yay. $750 on NQ. It's quick, son. It's quick. Oh my God. Off the same fucking spot. .80 bounce.
I can still buy a
Are we doing it?
bottle of Frappuccino. That's okay, isn't it?
This turned into a chop fest, huh? I mean,
Yes, it did.
nothing we haven't seen before.
Mm-hmm.
This is better, actually.
Nothing we haven't seen before.
You have
Round
to spill
two?
it once for it to be good.
Ding, ding, ding. Round two, Casey.
Oh. I took the long red candle buy, 10-minute.
Frank.
Friend of mine, she's been day trading. I have a friend who got into that, very shy woman, and also spent a lot of time.
Holding that 15-minute order block, bullish order block.
So he and her husband had been well known.
I do like that.
Died, but he had been a famous German.
Again, the only problem is, we're sitting back probably wondering why the market's going sideways here, but it's like,
This guy
again, what have we done?
started kind of debating her a bit. He's like, "Well, why do you say
I'm
that?"
getting a call.
And he said, and she said, "Well, I can't."
Right, what have we
I
done?
can't
We've taken
afford
out the
to pay for
highs,
my
previous
college,
session
my
highs.
kids'
We've taken out
college,
previous session lows,
our
all the
kids.
London Asia lows, London highs. There's nowhere for the market to distribute to. And that's your issue.
With your,
So for me,
day
this
trading.
is a time where it doesn't matter how perfect a
So he
setup can look.
started telling her what to buy,
It's not
what to sell,
high
what to
probable.
sell.
It doesn't matter how good it looks. It's not high probable because where are you
Turned out
taking the
he
market
was
to?
the Duke of philosophy.
Tell me,
You could believe
where?
that.
With high conviction,
I do.
right? And it's like,
I guess he owns.
you don't really have high
half
conviction
of
here for the
real
market to
estate
rebalance to any spots. So
in London.
got to be quick
He's one of the
scalps
richest
and
men in
tight risk
the
management.
UK. So he was telling, because it was all, these guys. They get
Because
on
all the
phone
big
first
money,
thing in the
they're
morning.
gone.
What are you
They
buying?
ain't sitting
What are
here
you
watching
selling?
this. They're long gone enjoying their day.
And within 3 months, he had
We should be too.
made her $60,000.
Whoa.
I was, I had a conversation with said Amazon, very early days of Amazon.
Firm.
Amazon's going to split.
Been cooking
Stock
a
split.
little bit.
So I called my father and said, Dad, Amazon's going to split. He said, that's gambling. I'm not interested. And sure enough,
I like
a week later,
I like a
split.
firm to get back
But
to all these relative
for
equal
him,
highs
it
that
was-
you have here. You see how this is very smooth. very smooth price action, that's always going to become a magnet for the market there. So something I'd watch. All these relative equal highs to get rebalance too.
For me, you were praying for my downfall.
The big thing now is who's going to get Netflix. Who's going to get Warner? It's going to be Netflix or Paramount. Now might be a good time to.
Jordan, actually add this guy to the call right now.
Dude, I know, right? I know, dude. Knots, what would you do? What would you do if I told you he was long Rivian?
He needs to be on. We're gonna see what Rivian does tomorrow.
They have an event.
Do they?
AI Autonomy Day, baby.
Oh,
25-point gain, sold half, and M&Q.
That's my largest share holding right now.
Can you not like Janice, huh?
It's about a 6% holding for me. Not big, but I took some shots there. I mean, if it goes,
It goes back to before.
what I'm up
COVID.
like.
The
I
COVID
know, I
was
gotta
like
look.
a nightmare, wasn't it?
I know I'm up like 30,
It's
40%,
like-
but I don't know what I am
I'm
in
not sure
dollars.
which was worse, Y2K or COVID. You know, it's like this thing that there's this hype, and
Could see 70s, 80s again. NQ. Maybe high of day break. Bill breaker 800. Looks like they set up that higher low for the next higher high.
Make sure you trim out CCL here. New highs breaking over that zone.
$50-point gain. M&Q sold a quarter. Gold liquidity sweep here. If they close over the previous candle high for a flip, they could see a previous day high break at 251.7.
Yeah.
man, I didn't have my real ID, and I thought I was
Do it,
gonna be-
NQ, do it.
I thought I was in for some real, but it was a breeze.
Dude, it was a fucking breeze.
Keep the mic on
Bro,
mute.
bro,
At
I'm
this
dying.
point, I'm invested.
I know,
I'm
right?
trimming some more CCL here.
And he says, "Well, you'll be coming to me." I went,
It's just what you've become to me. I don't know what
showed
changed.
him my ID. He
Right,
said,
yeah.
I already went over. He
Fuck
swapped
yeah,
it.
new highs. Let's go.
We're good.
There
Yeah,
you
let's go,
baby.
Mapes. I'm so glad
Let's
I
get
have
that bill breaker
headphones.
800.
Yeah.
Let's go.
February,
Yes.
they're gonna be
85 points here.
Let's go, Maple. Who are those market makers talking at the airport with Jordan? Dude, they're real market makers, bro. Those are the real dogs.
Damn, Carnival, chill. All right.
Is she going again?
Yeah. It's finally It's finally trying to right here.
Casey, you're not gonna like this. You're really not gonna like this. Extremely not gonna like this, actually. But Lily is along here now.
Yeah, maybe.
Is it?
No, with this candle.
I haven't even
daily
looked at it,
candle.
to be honest with you yet.
With the daily candle. It could literally rip 20 to 30 points tomorrow.
Janice, here you are.
You're
I'll
not
take one off
wrong.
of the ESTC trade as well here at 340.
Haha.
Dude, it's such a wealthy laugh. I'm working on mine.
Dude,
I'll
it
get
really
there.
is.
That
Mapes,
rich
same
white
thing,
man
Mapes.
laugh.
I'm working on mine.
Mapes, I literally practice it, bro. Like,
Dude, I know. I have to work on my chortle. You know, I have to work on it.
you gotta have that good rich laugh, man.
Take care. Have a good one. Thank you.
Even the proper send off.
Happy you. Merry Christmas.
You know, also think about it. He's communicating with people at the airport.
Dude,
Dog. DAWG.
you know what's funny? He ain't even flying nowhere, bro.
Oh,
He's not.
Thank you, Janice. It's
Nah.
nice to see you.
Just came in.
dude, I
Great to see
need
you,
to be at the
Janice.
airport to network. I mean, that
Bro.
must be the place.
Bro,
Thank you.
100%.
And if
Airport
you happen to
bars, best
see
place to network. for
Fahima,
sure.
tell her I said hi, please.
There's also no time frame at a
Sorry to
airport
miss
bar,
her.
ever. Be here at 6 a.m. finding people to talk to.
Oh my gosh, CCL's about to just make me go crazy.
You gotta get the Stock Talk Weekly Stoner laugh. I know exactly what you're talking about.
I
It's
am
strictly
watching
prohibited.
Lily. Now this-
All right, 100-point gain. MNQ sold down to the runners. GG.
Strictly
Hey, let's go.
prohibited.
Lisa's in the chat. Shout out to you, Lisa. Appreciate you being on the stream.
CCL's fucking busted.
Do
Dang.
not do anything dangerous.
Dangerous.
Potentially risky.
Risky as fuck, Ed.
What he doesn't know is Casey
And
just
it's
went
sweet.
10 minis long.
Dude, like, nobody knows that we're just trading NQ on FOMC day.
Supernatural place.
It's that time. It's takeoff time.
Takeoff time, Daddy. You ready to fly with me or what?
If you're buying, I'm flying, baby.
You're crazy. Gosh.
By the way, I think also Meta is a fucking long. I know it looks disgusting, but I think Meta's a long.
I fully agree with you. Higher
Three
time
gap
frame.
downs, 3 gap downs in a row. And look at the candle that we're about to put on this motherfucking daily with an hour left. Sorry for the cursing.
Dude, they ain't
Look at this
bullish.
shit.
It's that time.
Oh my goodness, that was the best long. I can't believe it stopped me out by 15 points from 630 to 830. 200 points. What the fuck, dude?
Gold testing highs here for the liquidity
Dude, they
sweep.
are
Yeah, she is. Look at her.
ripping it.
Yo,
All these
KO,
routes
new
are
low of
declines.
day. Oh, baby.
If I go over, they'll give me 10 if I
Elastic.
ask them
Who's
over
in
there.
elastic with me?
All
Let's fucking go.
Take care. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ed.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Maybe we need to do airport streams more often.
Mr. Electric Blue. All I'm saying
That'd be hot.
is I even told Imp to do this, and nobody wanted to trade this with me, and I don't know why. I don't lose when I trade this stock. I don't think I've ever lost.
What's that?
Carnival.
Never knows.
Oh, CCL.
Dude, cruise lines, I do not lose when I trade cruise lines. I don't lose trading cruise lines.
Next spot I have is that blue line on NQ that is sitting at 867.75. Previous day highs. We also have a daily for value gap that starts there. So I don't think the market really goes any higher than that personally.
Yeah, they're slamming the videos. They're in the money calls for January, though. We're at resistance coming up here, almost previous week high, spying QQQ. So just be cautious after this little ripper. A supernatural place. More in the video, 160 calls come in. God, dude, if you bought my ad at 60, we're at 90 here. Fucking insane. Kind of lit on KO for downside. That's good. For the poots. Just broke previous low. You can move a stop to entry on CCL to secure green. If you'd like. This was fun. I don't lose when I trade CCL. Like, who even looks at these stocks on fucking FOMC week? Mr. Electric Blue. Dang.
Yo, pleasure making money with you guys today. Let's do it all again tomorrow. Have a great day. Love ya.
Later, Maple. Love you, brother.
Damn.
Damn, that boy's sick.
I just got a cough now.
Dude, it sounds like freaking whooping cough.
Mama.
Whoop.
Smoking up. Cooking up.
Oh my god, what are they doing to NVIDIA? I can't be the only one that sees this.
What are they doing to Nvidia?
Dude,
What are they doing?
they are hammering the shit out of these.
Oh, he took an option.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like this is not, that's not normal.
I was like, what do you mean, Jelly Bean?
I'm talking about within the last 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 orders have came in with the average size of $2 million each time on these, accumulating to over $50 million worth of these calls in the last 10 minutes. What are they doing? The same flow alert came in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So
Wait, so say this. Can you say the strikes one more time?
they're in the money 160 calls for January 9th. Somebody keeps buying them over and over again at the ask. They're buying them at $2,600, 900 contracts in size every single time for like 2.3 something million dollars over and over and over again.
Interesting. What do they know that we don't?
What?
Do we have an insider?
In 10 minutes, yeah, over $50 million worth of that. That's not normal. All right, well.
Georgia
How much
to
time we
the
got?
blue line.
We got 55 minutes. Swing calls on the video. The fuck is this? All right. I'm not too worried about CCL anymore. That thing was fine. There's your previous week high to the penny on SPY. Are we gonna see new all-time highs?
We could. What is it?
Like $1.80 higher on SPY.
Dial. I'm watching Lily into the close.
Sure.
No. Never. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna swing the video. January 16 calls most likely. 200s aren't bad. They're around $340 a piece right now. The December 9th 200 is a little bit cheaper. Let me see how they move compared to the others, though. December 9th 200s. Delta's 0.24, not bad. Decent open interest, decent volume. $3 spread. So from
Bro, people want to fuck around and call me out, so I posted my year's P&L.
let's go.
Fucking assholes. They don't even deserve to see that shit.
They hate us because they hate us.
It's funny how some people just can't fathom that this works. That's why they'll stay working for us the rest of their life, right? Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah,
Oops.
elastic new high.
There we go.
I'd like to get a higher trim on that one, but your highest gamma was at $80. So I mean, we took this thing when it broke 76. $3 out of $4 on the way up there now. So it's definitely a trim spot, but definitely when it gets to 80. INTC daily charts looking really, really good. Look at that one. Right off the daily 21. Watch Dell as well. Dell's looking really good. All right.
BIS is fading? Uh-oh.
No.
Arnar. Arnar. You down from all-time highs.
One more blue moon to go. And then my bill won't.
A blue moon to go. That sounds fucking amazing.
Yeah. 33% dip into that gap where we hit half gap. Looks like we probably did. Yeah, we did. I mean, gotta be bullish, yeah? After retracing the half gap. As long as we're not trying to trade through these lows. Yeah, order flow looks good. It's definitely been coming in, but I like the dip on this, to be honest. I don't hate it.
Let's take it in another bar and take one.
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here we go. About to tap into this buy side level. Just above this, we have a daily fair value that is bearish. We've never tapped into it. So technically, this actual line can go to here, just slightly higher to meet that gap. And now we have a lot of confluence for rejection here. So big daily bearish for value gap that's never been tapped into. I have to expect initial rejection. Of course, we can run through this, but I have to expect that we try and reject this on the intraday. Gold big buys. I know Maple hit that, man. Too funny, man. They ask for P&L, you send P&L. Then they say, oh, it's been a raging bull market. Of course you've been doing good. Oh, that must be what it is. That must be. That must be. Keep praying on my downfall. You're going to be praying forever. I just don't get it. It's got to be tiring doing that every day, all day. You know,
I'm with that guy. I've known Jordan for a long time. I know he sucks.
Damn it.
Unbelievable. I know you forced that. I know you did it.
The use of wheelchairs, strollers, baggage carts, walkers, and pets are strictly prohibited on moving walkways.
Is CCL still cruising?
Do not leave infants or small children unattended or unsecured on moving walkways or escalators.
Cruising and boozing, baby.
Cruising. Cruising.
No, I didn't mean that.
No.
Friggin' Josh. Alexa, play my neck, my back. How many Alexas did we get to go off right now?
Flow on INTC $48 calls February 20th. $48 strike. Someone bought 10,000 of them at $2, $2 million.
Oh, guys. Oh, no, don't worry, guys. I'm not wasting my good energy. We're just having a little fun. Don't worry. I'm still positive ace. Don't worry. Talking about Tesla. I haven't even looked at Tesla much today. Are we cooking? We're cooking.
Cooking.
Good, I mean.
Oh my God. These CCL premiums are going to freaking pay. This thing goes $27.
Gonna learn today.
You're going to learn today.
Gonna learn today.
Bro, these Tesla bears are about to learn real quick. Got a good coach.
Holy shit.
You turned my Alexa on in my fridge. We got someone. We got one person. Let's go.
Fucking go. Got him. Got him.
All right, boys and girls. I'm gonna hop off.
Yeah, you outie.
I'll catch you
What
all
time is
later.
it? Yeah, we got 40 minutes till we close.
Tree
Sounds
20.
good, Knots. Have a good one, brother.
See you tomorrow.
Later, Nuts.
Gosh, it's weird. There's 40 minutes left. Well, it's been a day. I anticipate we take out these highs real quick and tap into this daily for value where I expect some big rejection going into tomorrow. But, you know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we get over these highs and start really ripping. But I got to expect initial rejection. So we'll see what happens there in the overnight session. Do we have any earnings tonight? I think we do. Pretty sure we do.
Oracle and AVGO are the top ones.
Why
does
am I
one
in
of them report
October?
after the close?
Yeah, Oracle, Adobe, Synopsys, Planet, all
Oracle's
reporting.
today.
Yeah.
And
then
AVGO tomorrow.
Yeah, AVGO, Costco, Lulu.
CCA was gonna make me post. I'm closing out half here at 95. What's so funny, Janice?
No. Oh, I love it.
Oh, Sim's in here? Wait, Sim, let me send you the link. I got you. 1 second.
I didn't say that. I was thinking, I looked him up.
Why won't it let me?
Yeah.
In the world?
So
There she is. All right, Sam, I sent you the link in DMs. Should be in your X DMs. Join us for the last little bit.
Oh, previous week high, Qs and SPY, rejection.
Rejection.
What's up, brother? How are you, bro? Good. Firecracker roll and Sam Adams.
If you can message me down minus 15%, you better message me when we're up plus 30%. You don't get to freak out and be in my DMs down 15%. And then when the trade goes plus 30, you ghost and don't say thank you. Let's fucking go. People are quiet when they take your winners, but they're loud if they're red. What the helly? Boys, slide in my DMs whenever you want, Daniel. I'll be here.
Yep.
I think we might come in a little bit from here. Not a lot, but a little.
I hope, wishful thinking, we see a new all-time high.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
What's up, Sim?
What's up? What's up? How's your guys' trading day today?
Ew, it's going good.
All right, we Pow just stopped talking, so let's see what we get here for some power hour.
Hey, Sam.
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Good. Long time.
Yeah, it's been some time.
I see you're killing it, though. I'm watching.
I appreciate it, dude. Been a great Q4. Excited for this new year coming up. All right, let's see what we get here. Let me share the space.
CMG spiking. Let's take a look.
Dude, 3 days of my trust me, if you see anybody wearing all black, you'll know.
Oh yeah, she is. Ooh, Daily looks good on Chipotle. You're getting delivery from Daily for value.
Holy is my alarm.
As long as you're not sweeping this high. As long as you don't get trading, back under this 31.92, I think things are okay on Chipotle. And they finally did that split, so the stock isn't $1,000 anymore. That shit was ridiculous. It just gets to a point where it's like nobody's trading it, but people holding shares. And nobody's trading it, really. Uh-oh. Got Sim back. There we go. Want to see us take out these highs into the end of the session. It's the next spot I have for this market.
Somebody said, "Why is your voice so hard?" Do you smoke a lot of weed? Nah, dude.
Sim's just a G like that.
I absolutely don't smoke a lot of weed. I do sound like a kid, so I'm sorry. I don't know how to change that. Fuck.
He's got that little bit of raspiness.
Yeah, I do.
I don't think
right
it's a
now,
bad
dude.
thing at all, though. It's a good thing.
I feel like I do because I wake up at all hours of the fucking morning to trade from the West Coast. Are you still on the West Coast?
I am. I'm not right now. I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina, because I'm flying to Puerto Rico this morning.
Oh,
But,
yeah, very nice.
But yeah, I'm still on West Coast majority of the time.
Yeah, you should hear me
It's
in the
rough.
morning, dude. I sound like a crackhead.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
I'm all dead.
It's tough. It's tough for sure.
Man,
You'll know when I woke up late because I'll start spaces with a very coarse voice.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. You know what
Sound like
though?
I
I
just
would
died.
never trade it. I'm good. I enjoy being done at fucking whatever all hours of the morning and just being finished on the day.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
I do the same thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is important that you keep a close
Ladies and gentlemen.
Do not leave items unattended at any time. Do not accept articles from unknown persons to carry on the aircraft.
MOC in 20.
Control of your carry-on items.
Huntsman is ripping again.
Do not carry items belonging
Guys, how to join your community. Well, we don't just have one. Kind of all the traders up here have their own. So the best way I would say is, if you sit here, you're looking at the show, you're watching the show, and you say, a lot of what Casey is doing is resonating with me. You can go try out Casey's room, see if that is something that would benefit you. That's kind of the way I would go about it, though. If you're looking for a specific room, is kind of find who you like, whose trading style is the most beneficial for you, and then work from there. And, you can always try out a community. If you don't like it, you can always switch. It's okay. But it's also not needed. We're on YouTube and X every day. Obviously, we have those communities for, the people that want a little extra, but not needed unless you guys want it. I know Sim's got her room too. Shout out to that. Everybody's kind of got their own thing going on there. So pick your poison.
Yeah, everybody's looking at the same market, but you'll be amazed. So many people have different trading styles and techniques
Yeah.
and stuff. So like, there's so much out there. It's just you gotta find what's good for you though, because you may be into a certain trading style that a certain community doesn't offer. So like what Jordan said, super important. Go try it out. See
Yeah.
see what you like.
Don't take my word for it because it don't really matter. Just, go see what it's about. Exactly what you said there, Sim, is you get to see the similarities with everybody's styles, and it's funny, like me and Casey will be talking about supply and demand, and I'm using fair value gaps, right? It's just funny how we're using a different concept, but at the end of the day, like we're coming to the same conclusion no matter what, pretty much.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy.
And that's why I'm just such a big believer that basically any strategy can work if you have a positive risk reward, you know what I mean? High win rate. It can all work. So gotta find what works for you.
All right, looks like it's trying to break out of this flag here.
Yeah.
I'll wait a
You're
couple
long?
of minutes.
You're looking for it.
Yeah, I've been actually was long since 68.50.
Nice.
I'm only in 2, so it is what it is. But
Yeah.
I want to see what we could get here. But damn, volume is a little lower than I like it.
Dude, I said it earlier, and I said wishful thinking, but new all-time high before close. I mean,
Yeah, because SPY's right there. I know NQ's a bit farther, but
yeah.
SPY is right. Oh wow, we're right there.
Yeah.
This might be the beginning of the Santa rally.
0.12%.
My account went from red to green today, so
let's go.
It's mental.
I was in a little bit of drawdown on my London session trade, but we figured it out.
Do you mind if I close out your check?
All good. Thank you.
All right, 6,900. Sick.
let's fucking do this thing. The only thing that would suck is if they made a new high right after market close, like 4:15. I'll be pissed.
Might get that.
I wouldn't doubt it. All right, they're still building into those INTC calls for February. Just had another alert come in.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and load up 6900 calls and hold these into the close as well, just with some profit, risking 20% of morning profits. I'll take an entry at $4 if it pulls back. That's gonna be my hold into end of day. Again, risking 20% of morning profits, nothing else. All right, I'm in at $4.
Kind of want to add those ones too. TSM just made a new all-time high.
%20 on these so far. Still holding them. %30 now.
All right, MOC in 10. Want to see that blue line get ran through.
Nice pop, 35%. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off half here, guys, and hold the rest at break even. Actually, no, I'm not holding the rest at break even. There's no stop loss on this one. I'm gonna let it
For
go.
your safety and the safety of
Made a
others,
lot of
please
money. I
use
can risk
caution
it.
when entering and exiting the moving walkways and escalators. The use of wheelchairs, strollers, baggage carts, walkers, and pets are strictly prohibited on moving walkways and escalators. Do not leave infants or small children unattended or unsecured on or near moving walkways or escalators.
Evanito.
How we doing? How's Power Hour?
You know, we got a nice little pop. We're coming
Golden hour
into
airport with Jordy. I love it.
yeah. Gold's been ripping.
No, just like the way the camera and the light and stuff. It just looks like it's like that one time with sun getting low. You know.
Oh yeah.
Guys
Oh
going
yeah.
a little bit, that little glare. What's up,
Oh
Sid?
yeah.
Hey, what's up? Sorry, who's talking? My bad. I'm looking at
That's
this
Evan.
trade.
It's
Oh,
Evan.
Evan, what's up, dude? How you doing?
What's up? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Just want to come back and hang out. We honestly, I don't even know if today was planned to go live. We were just kind of like, yeah, let's do it.
We kind of just did it, yeah. I happened to land a little early, and I was like, I'll hop on.
I'm taking another entry at 290, same contracts, 6,900 calls. Just risking 20% of morning profits, nothing else.
Yeah.
I'm in right here.
By the way, Jordan, did you see Apex is doing a 90% sale?
Oh, I didn't see that.
90% sale. They got
There you
everyone.
go.
Like Black Friday, they were like, they think we're not going to do a 90% sale right after 90% sale.
Where's our
I didn't put it on earlier because I was like, Casey was there, but you know, I will say he's got 8 people live. We got 260. Casey's awesome. You guys should go in and check out the stuff he's doing when he's not live at the same time as us. But every other time, this guy, Sunday night, SNL
Cooks.
with Casey, Sunday Night Charts.
It's the
This
move.
guy.
Appreciate you guys. Last time we had Will on there, we had a good session.
Maybe
My,
I'll join it.
my bad, I didn't have the codes at the bottom all day. I forgot to put that there.
By the way, it is code WolfX at Apex. 90% off right now. I don't know. Listen, I'm not saying to go use anything anywhere, but if you are Apex people, what is it, like 19? I don't know. They were saying $19 or something.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest. Like, you know,
Accounts
they're not my favorite accounts because they have the trailing drawdown, which means, long story short, your drawdown doesn't change by the end of day. It changes by the open position that you're in, which is not ideal. But at the end of the day, like, even with that, when you have 90% off accounts, I mean, all you have to do is be a little bit more scalpy with those positions that you're doing so they don't actually go in drawdown, right? So I think it's beneficial. I think it's useful. Obviously, Apex's, those accounts are not my favorite, but when they're 90% off and you could take advantage of that, you might as well. I mean, even though it's not the exact rules you'd want, I mean, if you're a decent trader, you can make that happen for sure. You just make sure you don't go in drawdown on good positions ever. Which, again, it's something I don't want to worry about, especially with my style trading. You guys know that I can sit in drawdown for an hour and then get my TP and be fine with it. I don't want to get penalized for sitting in drawdown. And that's what happens when you're doing a trailing drawdown versus an end-of-day drawdown. With that said, though, I also know plenty of kids younger than me that are taking massive payouts from Apex all the time, right? Killing it. So it obviously doesn't hinder your success that much if you're just consistently bringing in that money. Easier said than done sometimes. I gotta get some food here soon.
Sorry. Sid, how do you trade? I have no idea even. Do you use prop firms or are you like not even futures?
Who are you asking? Wait, chat? Is there any activation fee for Apex? I think there is.
Classic.
Yes, there 100% is, actually. I remember now. I don't know how much it is, though. I forget. But there 100% is a activation fee.
Do not leave items unattended at any time. Do not
What
accept
percentage
articles
amount
from
is
other
considered a
persons to
drawdown?
carry onto aircraft.
Anything in red.
Maintain control of your carry-on items to prevent
So if I'm
extraction or
red
dangerous
anything in my
items
position, I'm in
after
drawdown.
knowledge. Do not carry items belonging to others. Note that all bags are subject
Even if it's
20%
just a
on these so
percent.
far.
Oh, beautiful. Good job.
See if it'll pop up and just clear out this high already.
I think we could take those highs, that blue line I have. I want to see us get into there.
Yeah, we're a little low on volume here.
Maybe MOC can change that a little bit.
We have 4 minutes.
Yep.
For your safety and the safety of others, please use caution when entering and exiting the moving walkways and escalators. The use of wheelchairs, strollers, baggage carts, walkers, and pets are strictly prohibited on moving walkways and escalators. Do not leave infants or small children unattended or unsecured on or near moving.
Hey, let's go, Sir Brandon. Love to see you, brother. I will say it's not always going to be that easy, but I love to see you having some success early on and just keep that level head.
How to get back at you? How to get back at you?
Would you take me on?
I am chilling in Malibu.
Get my name.
All right, keep pulling back. Give us an entry already. Jesus Christ. All right, this is extremely slow. Kind of want to short it. Watch 68.90 puts. I'm gonna be trading this again just with profit. Everything for power hour for me is with profit. Nothing else. All right, I'm gonna take an entry at 250 if it gets there. I'm in at 250. 10 seconds here. Want the pullback to 68.90 and then it take off again.
Do it.
Oh,
Little
new all-time
premature
high.
bounce.
Do we get it? No way. New
Does
all-time
anyone
high in the
else see that
markets.
candle on SPY and Qs?
Is it new all-time high?
6,900.
Wait, I don't see it.
Whoa, is my trading view bugging?
Your trading view might be bugging. I don't see it.
Bugging.
Is that a trading view glitch? I just saw a candle on SPY go to 690.05.
Oh. Shit.
Oh,
Okay.
right when MOC came out, SPY had a candle on trading view that went above 690. Look, I'm gonna get a screenshot.
Yeah.
Look at this. That motherfucker right there is not real. Look at that.
Back in profit here. Come on, hurry the fuck up. Dump out to 90.
IWM is pulling back into the close. There's your MOC big on S&P.
Slam these bids.
Uh-oh, we lost Jordan. We lost Jordan. We lost the chart.
Hurry up. I'm back in profit again. Jesus Christ. Give it up already. 10%. Oh, let's fucking go. Trimming right here, 50%.
There you go.
Fucking nasty. I'll take it. Runner's break even stop on this one. I'll look for a re-entry if I could find one.
Implied move on Oracle is like 10%. So $20 move on a stock. I'm going to be going out at like 240, 250 calls. And even next week, that's still a $500 gamble per contract.
Dump it out already. Come on.
Can't trade it.
Let it go.
Let it go.
For
Let
real.
it go.
Break even just hit fully out. Look for a re-entry here. Give it a second. All right, we're gonna take the 68.90 puts again. Entry's coming in at 180. If it pops up, it should fill us there. 180 is the entry. Same contract, 68.90 puts, 180 entry. All right, let's see if it pops up and kills the contracts out a little bit. Come on. One little pop. Keep going. Come on. More. A little more. Keep going. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm changing the entry to 220, guys. Oh, don't go without me, you piece of shit. Oh, God. Come on, 15 cents. Come on, pop up real quick. All right, I'm in at 220. Whoa, that was quick. 10%. 20% still holding. Slam these fucking bids. There's barely any. Slam them.
Drop them.
I need some fucking volume here. Come on.
IWM was a great short. That one's already selling hard.
Keep going, baby. Let's go. We're trimming right here. Nice.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm out of, I'm out of half. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Or if that candle's not on Weeble, is it? Probably just Trading View. Let's see. SPY.
Break even just hit fully out.
Let's see. Yeah, no, it's not on Weeble. It's the Trading View glitch. Dude, I swear, if they bring SPY back down to 685 tomorrow,
Stop saying Jesus Christ. It is offensive to a lot of people. Jesus Christ.
breaks underneath of that. Someone said that to you?
Yeah. How is that offensive? Alright,
Jesus,
let's
take the
see.
wheel.
I was waiting for some short. Alright, let's go 68.90 puts again. I really want to short the hell out of this, but damn, these bids are a little weird. Damn, it looks like it wants to hold, but
Oh.
we're here to trade, bud. Take your religious stuff somewhere else, please. Don't do that bullshit here. We're here to make money. All right, 68.90 puts again. If these bids will give up this 0.7, it looks really good. But geez, man, it's like it's stuck in a little weird little area right here. I don't really like it. Gotta wait. Looking pretty weak here on the bids, but buyers are coming in a little hotter than I like before I try to take it here. They're all coming in at the ask. A little bit of fight here.
Fight.
Oh, there, it looks good now.
You got 2 minutes left.
Shut up with that bullshit. I don't really care. We're here to trade. Stop with nonsense, please. Jesus. Said it again. And what? People
The
are
video
wild
got
out
that
here, man.
wick on Trading View too. It's just a glitch.
All right, with this SPX right here, this 68.90 puts again. If it does it, it'll do it here, but we are stuck. I'm gonna run with the 8.5s instead. These are way cheaper. This is a straight zero or hero trade. I'm gonna keep this really simple. 65-cent entry. 68.85 puts 65-cent entry. This is a zero or hero, meaning I am holding this into the close. We got about a minute left, plenty of time. All right, I'm in at 65 cents here.
Oh.
Straight hold into the close here. All right, give us 100% on this sucker. Keep going. Give it up now. Sweet, almost there.
Oh, there
Give us
goes Q's.
100%.
Oh,
Bang! We are trimming right here, guys. 100%.
there you go. Nice
And if
short.
it gives up here at this 0.2 level where all the buyers are sitting, it's really gonna flush. one more slam down.
I was
Just
gonna say, see
one
if they
more.
hit the 21 right below it. It's a few
There's
cents
that point
off.
2. There's point 2. There's some stacking going on there. If it lets go, it's got to go right underneath those bids. Oh, look at this pump. Ooh. All right, we closed at 68, 86, 81. What a fantastic fucking day. Awesome.
What a fun FOMC.
Definitely.
SPY closed at or near Friday's high and Monday's pre-market high. So we are still here overall.
I
You know
appreciate
what? Market has been waiting for this rate cut in particular. I was expecting more of a potentially a sell the news event, but it looks like we have other rate cuts that are expected in the forecast. I really think that this is the beginning to that rally. For me, 7,000's en route by the end of the month. SPX. I would be very surprised if we don't hit 7,000 by the end of the month.
That would be pretty freaking awesome.
That would be freaking fantastic if it does, but let's see where it.
Sim, somebody asked how can I find your
I
guys'.
think you're right. You guys have a good night, Sim. Nice seeing you, Frank.
Yeah,
have a
you
good
as
one.
well. Man.
Frank,
Take
love
care
you,
for
brother.
sure.
Hope the day was good.
Yeah, good day. Great day.
I know me and Em pouring around a lot, but I know you guys killed it.
Yeah, I think majority everybody's discords are in their X bios. If you guys are on X.
Yeah, I wanted to
go to their
mention,
bio.
Sim, I know you have your room, you know, Casey has their room. I don't personally have my own room, so if you're looking for me, I'm not anywhere. But yeah, check out Sim's room, check out Casey's room.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
I know Emp's in one of the rooms with Minx as well. I mean, there's plenty of options, guys, for sure. So
By the way, if you guys want to get some live earnings right now, I just put it in the chat.
yeah,
Sam
we have
is
some
live right now
names.
on both channels. He's live.
Oh, he's on the.
Yeah, I don't
What
know.
is the show called again?
The Solid Report.
The Solid Report. That's what it is. I love
I
that.
like that name. That's a cool name.
That's a good name, huh?
Yeah.
I thought so too.
Sam Solid is like name too, so it's pretty good.
I thought
Yeah,
that was
cool.
Oh my goodness, it's crazy to think that even after FOMC, we are sitting at Monday's high right at the open. Right on SPY. Just back to this spot. They couldn't at least hold it above previous week high. Oh. Ridiculous.
My X account is simply _sim1. That's how you find it. Oh, I forgot a lot of the people are on YouTube.
Yeah, we do have a lot of people on YouTube.
Yeah, this is
We got the Wolf
badass,
Financial account in here. Let's go.
Love it.
Yeah, the streams are better, huh, Sam?
Yeah, it is. I love it. I loved how you guys have it where people learn a lot just off of just watching.
Right.
It's a simply _sim1.
Hi, this is Mayor Bylaws. Welcome to the Queen City.
Is there Tesla news? What did Tesla do? Oh shit.
In Charlotte, we are
Wait,
proud
did we
of
take
our
out the high? We still didn't take out the high. That's crazy. Yeah.
and rich cultural
They said no.
scene.
Tesla just dumped at the close.
Yeah, we'll dump you at the close.
Yeah. I
Is that
mean,
news?
Safe travels and be sure
No.
to join us again soon.
I don't.
I don't think it's really news. I mean, NVIDIA got a red candle right here at the close. I mean, SPY, Qs, IWM, a lot of things just kind of pulled back. Amazon a little bit. I think Tesla just had a little bit larger. Apple, same thing. Apple had a little last 5-10 minutes dump into the close. I don't think it's news related. I just think it was the market overall.
Yeah.
Some red candles larger than others, but they all pulled back relatively the same.
Almost gave up all the FOMC gains on Tesla. Now don't do that, brother. Don't do that. Ooh. Remember, only a portion of the gains get risked. Some of y'all saw that. Oh gosh. Casey, the amount of people I've heard come to the SPAR that aren't even traveling, bro, that are just hanging out. I'm like tripping out, dude.
They just come to the airport just to,
I guess so.
just sit there and hang out. I'm seeing some big candles come in. Oracle downside.
It's either
Earnings.
that or everybody just knows everybody somehow.
Can you pull that up on the chart, Jordan?
Yeah, sorry, what ticker?
Oracle.
Yeah, got you. 15-minute for today.
No, like right now. Like right after
Oh,
hours.
here we go.
It's falling apart.
There we go. Oh. Yeah,
Oracle
so
Dumperoni.
taking a nice dippy. What airport? I'm in Charlotte. Whatever the
Adobe
main airport is.
upside. Adobe upside candle, Oracle downside.
Adobe earnings isn't until tomorrow, though, right?
I guess it's right now, right?
Wait, is that? Oh, yeah, you're right. AVGO is tomorrow. My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
Strollers, baggage carts, walkers,
My
and
bad.
pets are strictly
Okay.
prohibited on moving
Yeah,
walkers
and
and escalators. Do not
when we look at Adobe, it's been beaten up, right? I mean, not a crazy surprise that we're getting a nice move up on it. It's been beaten up. Absolutely, like, honestly, killed compared to the market. Absolutely killed compared to the market this entire year. Well, back half of the year, I guess I should say.
Yeah, Oracle's earnings aren't that. They beat on EPS by a long shot.
I like this, honestly, like this spot where we just have so many smooth highs above that I would like to see us rebalance to. After taking out all of these bigger time frame lows, I don't see a whole lot of reason to be super bearish here.
Everything else kind of came in line or near. Their EPS was 2.26. Their estimate was 1.64.
Here's what I really need to see to get like excited on this and be like, okay, we're really going, is I want to see us run through this, essentially this red box, and get over these highs. Because if we're trading over these highs, that means we're getting a complete shift in the structure from lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high to finally breaking higher highs and trying to shift that structure. So we're still kind of in that period where things could be weird, but if Adobe gets rocketing over that 360, I think it's pretty clear we start to try and trade higher. Already the momentum from the lows, I like a lot. You're getting a shift over this shorter term high.
Adobe double beat 5.5 EPS versus 5.4, revenue 6.19 versus 6.11.
What's AVGO looking like going into tomorrow at the highs?
AVGO's been looking good.
Yeah, but going to earnings, that always worries me a little bit when you're at all-time highs like this. I don't know. We'll see. Mute the kid. You already know. We're trying to mog the whole Charlotte airport, you know? I'm trying. I don't know if I'm succeeding, but we're trying.
AMD and NVIDIA both getting downside candles after hours in relation to a sympathy move from Oracle's move.
Yeah, Oracle continuing. Yeah, NVIDIA taking it.
And it did the implied move.
Yeah.
Just about.
That's all you can ask for, really, right? I mean,
got close, about almost $20. I mean, from high to low, it's technically $25, but
all right, gents. Well,
ooh, Adobe just flipped red.
Uh-oh.
Briefly, it just kind of retraced the previous candle.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you got some smooth lows here.
There it
Oh, y'all.
goes. Oh.
Shout out to the chat hanging out with us till the close. T7 said, I think all good news is now priced in. FOMC done. We likely sell a little in coming days to weeks going into year end. Tax loss harvesting will take place as well. Yeah. I got to do some tax loss harvesting. My only loss is Bumble on the long term this year, so I need to get rid of that. I'm down like 30% on it. It's rough. But, you know, everything else is cooking, so can't be too mad. But that's a valid thought to have, right? Coming into these last. Here's the thing. Just from what I've seen statistically, and of course, seasonality is subjective, but in terms of seasonality, December can be actually really good until those last 2 weeks. Those last 2 weeks are usually just absolutely horrendous in terms of price action and trying to catch, you know, efficient moves in the market. And so that's where I would say it's a little tough going into the end of the year. But, I mean, I know a lot of us have made plenty of money all year, right? I know Sim, Casey, you guys have been killing it all year. There's not a whole lot of reason to press it extremely hard into these last couple weeks that we have, you know?
There's really not. There's no
It's
point.
more just, you know, celebrate what you did, and if you can make a few extra trades to make you a few extra $1,000 or whatever this past few weeks, great, and kick back and wait for the new year, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Dude, November going into December is where I start to size down on
Absolutely.
everything
Absolutely.
that I take. My time to trade, honestly, like for me, like my biggest, I think, trading month of all time was going from August into September. I don't know what happened, but like 90% of all the swings I took just kept hitting over and over and over again.
I'll show mine.
Upside and downside. And now, yeah, when it comes to the end around Thanksgiving time and then going into December, after that, it's just size down until the end of the year.
Yeah, let's see. I had let's see if this works. Yeah. This was my best month of the year right here. Oh no, I just stopped sharing completely. I didn't mean to do that.
Dude,
Hold on.
I got a question for you.
Give me a second.
Are you good here? Do you need me, like, if you, whenever you're done, you just close it?
Yeah, we're fine. We'll just close it, Evan. You're good. You're good, brother. August was the month for me. I was not able to make a better month than August this year. But I mean, you look at August, you can just see from the trades, it's pretty phenomenal. We had an 87.5% win rate. We made $28,000 just in that month, which on futures is personally the most I've ever made. I've made more on options, but futures specifically is just that was a big milestone for me. But the entire rest of the year, I couldn't one up it, which kind of pissed me off. So this next year we got to one up it, because I know in December I'm not gonna make more than 28. So
Attention all travelers. It is important that you keep a close watch.
Attention all travelers.
of course, too, reminder for the audience, I want you guys to understand that $28,000 that was made is majority on prop, which means am I getting paid out the whole 28,000? No, right? So I want to make that clear, just so you guys understand that a lot of that is on prop, which means am I getting paid out that full 28,000? The answer is no. Right? I'm still getting paid out a great amount for sure. I'm still making plenty of money, but it's not 28.8, right? So,
Jordan.
We'll get there though. We'll get there. What's up?
From the first week of August to the first week of October, all right?
Yeah.
That 2-month period right there.
Phenomenal.
My account increased by 45.24%.
Yeah.
Jeez, nice.
Dude, fucking insane. That P&L for those 2 months is absolutely, that's probably it is the best trading I've ever done was during that time, which is crazy because that's the time where we were actually moving.
Yeah.
And closing on the other house and then getting into this one. And I was mainly just doing everything from my freaking cell phone. I wasn't at my laptop, and I didn't have my full setup, like everything during most of that time. But yeah, that's probably like my best freaking trading of all time.
This is where I'm at on the year. So this is 2025, full profit, full win percentage, full average win loss. The only thing that it's not accounting for is the last few weeks of trades, which I haven't logged, which is my bad. There's no excuse. I just haven't logged them, to be completely honest with you. I've been busy and not worried about it. But something I need to do. At the end of the day, though, not where I want to be, but we're getting there. I'm doing better. I'm where I wanted to be at, a few years ago. So that's something that's worth saying. But at the end of the day, with 2025 and all that we did, 72,000 is not. There just could have been so much more, given the opportunity that we had. So, a lot of you may be looking at that going 72,000 on the year trading stocks. That's amazing, but there's always room to improve, and that is not my best. But we'll get there. We will get there. And again, is all that my money? Of course not, right? A portion of it is prop, and then I'm paying taxes on it as well. So it's not like I'm getting paid out that full 72, but still a nice chunk, and nice to see where I'm going.
Dude, I used to make $150 a day, so don't even that. Trust me when I say that is just the beginning.
I know this is just the beginning. Like I know there's going to be days where 72 G's is my daily P&L.
And it will be
my yearly P&L. You know what I mean? There's going to be a day where it does happen. It's just a matter of sizing up. That's all it is. It's not trading any differently. I don't have to do anything different. It's just sizing.
You're doing it right though too. You're doing it exactly the way that you're supposed to. You're not over leveraging. You're taking your time. You know that there's always another day in the market if there needs to be. You're doing it exactly the way you're supposed to.
Yeah, we're trying to. I want to be a good example for all the audience members, and I mean, there's going to be times where I fuck up too. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not. I will go against my rules here and there just like everybody else. But I feel like if I can, if the dumb 20-year-old can show you guys what he's doing on the year in consistent money, I think you guys can make it happen too, And so I just hope this gives some perspective for people on what you can really do in the markets.
Absolutely.
How do you guys do health insurance? Well, unfortunately, this next year I'm going to have to start paying for my own health insurance because I'm of age, which sucks.
I don't have it.
I'm not going to have it either. I'll pay out of pocket instead initially if I really have anything wrong. But I'm just too healthy to go pay thousands of dollars a month for that initially, right out the way. But we'll see. Yeah. Do you also trade futures on your personal account to get the 60/40 tax preferred treatment? So I trade a live account on futures on my funded. I'm not trading my own personal live account at the moment on futures. But 2026 is the year for me to do it. So I'll be doing it this next year. So technically, I don't think I get put into that section of the 60/40 tax rule. I don't know if I do. I'll have to look into that more, especially because this is my first year paying taxes on futures trading versus options trading. So I'm going to have to figure that out. But I think because of the fact that it's prop trading, that you don't get taxed capital gains, you get taxed like 1099 income. So no matter what, there is no 60/40 rule there, I think. I think it's just you get paid out and you get 1099 tax at the end of the year because you're technically a analyst for the prop firm. But as soon as you get past that and you're in your own live account, yes, you could take advantage of that 60/40 rule. Big tip though, even though you're getting 1099, that means that you can write off a lot of the accounts that you guys are spending money on. Just saying, talk to a professional and make sure you guys are figuring that out for yourself. But it's something us panelists are doing all the time, and it's well worth it for sure. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to close up. I know we had some earnings. We never took out that high that I wanted to see, so we'll see if we can get that in after hours or something. But a beautiful day. Can we claim prop fund fees in taxes? Yes, but talk to a professional. Double check with a professional. Most employers' plans in white colors. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to close it up. It's been a day. I love y'all. Casey's throwing hand hearts out there.
Later. I'm out.
Sim, we love you. Appreciate you coming on. Evan, shout out to you, brother. We'll see everybody, I guess, bright and early tomorrow morning. I think we'll be on Spaces.
Thursday.
Yeah, I'll be on Spaces tomorrow, and I think we'll be on live stream, but I'm not for sure. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But everybody enjoy the rest of the day, and
Great one,
we'll see
man.
you bright and
Awesome.
early tomorrow. Thanks, Sim, for coming on. Casey, Evan.
Absolutely. Take care, guys.
Later, guys.
Peace out, y'all.
Later.
Love everybody. Make sure you're liking and subscribing.